Look, stop kidding yourself. There's no real choice in digital markets. Everyone talks about freedom to pick, to choose. But it's a lie fed by slick platforms and algorithms designed to box you in tighter than a cage. You think you're the one deciding what's best for you? No way. The system's set up to squeeze whatever's most profitable out of your attention, data, and trust. And you're stuck in their play. Every option is carefully trimmed, manipulated, and pushed until you take what's left. That sucks, and it's infuriating. You're hustling, building, investing, leading, and yet your customers or users have less genuine choice than at any time before. How is that right? How do you create in a world where the market pretends to be open but locks the power behind invisible gates? First, understand this. The problem isn't just big tech or monopolies. It's the way these platforms design the battlefield. Artificial scarcity, data monopolies, algorithmic control over what users see. It's the invisible hand guiding choices, not to serve freedom, but to maximize profit and control. If you're a founder, that means your product risks getting buried under layers and layers of recommended stuff, pushed aside for whoever pays or plays the game better. For investors, if you back this or that platform, realize your returns ride on people not seeing alternatives. And for leaders trying to innovate or serve real communities, this system chokes them out before they even get started. You have to break this. How? Stop playing by their rules. Stop thinking that consumer choice means menu options displayed nicely on a screen. Choice is about power. Who controls access? Who controls the data? Who controls the narratives? If you don't control these, you don't control choice. You might as well not have it. Here's step 1. Build real alternatives in how products meet people. Don't rely on the gatekeepers. Drop the illusion that being listed somewhere gives you freedom. Own the direct connection with your audience. Own the data you generate. If you don't, you're just feeding the machine that controls their choice. That means pushing direct relationships, direct transactions, and direct feedback loops. No middlemen controlling eyeballs. Step 2. Invest and create networks that refuse to replicate the same old siloed, monopolized playgrounds. Find or build platforms that are open, interoperable, and decentralized. If everyone depends on one algorithm deciding what choice means, you're trapped. Make choice mean actual variety, real competition, and user control, not some scripted app suggestion. Don't wait for these systems to be fair. They never will be if you let them set the rules. Step 3 is brutal but necessary. Call out complacency and the lies spread by system players. You're not here to sneak in under their radar or play nice with the world they built for convenience. You need to push for transparency, true user empowerment, and systems built on merit, not manipulation. Invest in technologies and business models that don't just increase profit margins, but increase real freedom for the people using them. Finally, get clear about why this matters. It's not just some philosophical thing. This fight over choice shapes capitalism itself in the digital era. If users are locked behind paywalls, algorithms, or network effects, innovation chokes. The real free market, the one where products win because they're better and people actually want them, gets replaced by a puppet show where only the biggest players pull strings. If you want to build or back businesses that last, that truly serve, you have to challenge that. Now, stop thinking consumer choice is given. It's earned by those brave enough to disrupt the scripts, to build systems that give power back to the individual, and to refuse fake freedom sold by attention-harvesting machines. Do this, or watch as your work is buried by the illusion of choice. The market only works when choice is real. Make it real, starting now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.